The first time I used this oil on my hands was in 2024, and after using it I fell in love with it, and I talked to you about it here. If you have been watching me from 2024, you are going to know me with this particular body oil, and I know all of you have been looking for it. A lot of people reach out to me asking if they can find it and all of those things. Which oil is that? That is the Disaar collagen oil. You see this oil, anytime I start using it, like after 2 days I start receiving compliments. Almost, see your skin, see how your skin is smooth. So I was like, let me even see the ingredient, like let me take a look deeply at the ingredient list of this product. 'Cause I see it, but most of the things here are written in chemical names, like, yeah, you don't get to understand what what the ingredients actually does for your skin. So I was like, okay, let me actually browse and see the ingredients, what this ingredient does on the skin, and compare it with other Disaar body oils I have used. Like I have used basically, or less maybe all their oils: papaya, carrot, turmeric, kiniko. I've used them. Do you understand? But when I look at the ingredients composition, the ingredient list of this one, something stands out, which is why it gives that result that it gives. So I want us to look at it together and talk about it together. Now, usually, if you are very, if you use this oil, you can even bring out the one you have and check. Normally, their first ingredient on the ingredient, the first thing you are going to see is mineral oil. This one I have here is their papaya miracle. The first thing you're going to see is mineral oil, and you're going to see this second one here written ethyl hesyl palmitate. Do you understand? You're going to see hydrogenated oil, carica papaya, which is the main thing, tocopherol, which is vitamin E, and then perfume. Now, when you look at this one, this color, look at, I bought this in 2 weeks ago. Look at how much I use it. Like I use this every day. In fact, some days at night when I have my bath and there is no lights, I just use this oil. I just use this oil and my skin feels good. Now, the first ingredient list here, okay, you are not going to see it. The first ingredient list here is written caprylic slash capric triglyceride. Now, this is an emollient. This is an emollient that helps to soften the skin. Do you understand? It softens the skin, it increases moisture retention on your skin. Now, the first ingredient is an emollient. The second one again is ethyl hesyl palmitate, which is also a skin softening agent that also works like an emollient. So that is the first ingredient. The second ingredient are both emollients. So that is why once you start using it, your skin just starts feeling some, like the very first time I used it, I talked about it, I was so impressed with my skin. That's 2024 hour, but it's very scarce. Anyway, this one I bought it. I went back, I wanted to buy it again, and it was finished. I don't know if it's people that watch my video that used to buy it out anywhere I see it. So the third ingredient here is mineral oil. The fourth ingredient here is a plant called Rosa rugosa flower oil. This is a Chinese plant or Japanese plant that is good for brightening the skin. It has anti-aging properties in it. And then the fifth ingredient here is tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E. And then the last ingredient here is hydrolyzed collagen. So this is a very, very skin softening, skin smoothing, texture improving body oil. Once you start using this body oil, the first thing you are going to notice after like 2-3 days is that the texture of your skin is going to improve. Your skin is going to appear smoother. Your skin is going to appear fresher. That is because of the ingredients that it contains, and it doesn't have any perfume. I love it for that. Usually all of these ones, they have perfume. All of these other ones, they have perfume, but this is that one that doesn't have a perfume. Now, can you use it on your face? I do not use it on my face because I don't use oils on my face. I have oily skin on my face and I don't like to try. Okay, but this oil, based on the ingredient list, you can use this oil on your face. If you are someone that used to use oil on your face, like you have trained your face to accept oils, then you can use, because it doesn't have perfume, it doesn't have anything that can irritate your face. Okay, it doesn't have anything that can irritate your face. These two emollients here, they are safe, they are non-comedogenic. Okay, depending on the quantity it is used in the product. So but honestly, this oil is nice. So anywhere you see it, buy it. Please buy it and remain for me, because buy it and remain it for me, so when I come to buy, I'm going to see it. Do you understand? So I just wanted to give that update. I just wanted to give that update about this product. This is one of the best Disaar oils, like, not one of the best, this is their best that I have used, and I can testify to. Look at the quantity I have used. Very soon I'm going to finish it out and I'll start looking for it again. Honestly, I just wanted to talk about this product because all of you have been complimenting my skin. Thank you for that. I see all of those comments. But if there is one thing that I added into my skincare routine very recently, I think I bought it this January. Yeah, I bought it this January. It's not even up to 2 weeks, because I think today's date is 19th. I'm not sure it's up to 2 weeks that I got this particular oil. I think it's a weekend, maybe almost 2 weeks that I got this product. But look at how much I've been using it, and I use it every freaking day because I love it. It's nice. It doesn't make you sweat. It's not exactly lightweight. Do you understand? It's not exactly lightweight. Let me put it on my hands here. So it's not lightweight like maybe Aveno and all of those things, no, but it's not also thick. It's not a thick oil. It's an oil that is just going to absorb into your skin very quickly and shine your skin. It has a shine that it gives, a very subtle shine that it gives. Do you understand? So this is what it looks like. You see, my skin is not giving that oil. Like, look at my hands, look at this one. You can barely tell the difference. Just little glow. So it doesn't give that so much oily feel. Okay, it doesn't give that so much oily feel. If you are someone that you are struggling with green veins, you are struggling with stretch marks, okay, you have new stretch marks, so not old one. Let's be true to ourselves. You have new stretch marks, get this body oil. Like, you just use a lightening body lotion and you started noticing stretch marks, get this, I say body lotion, get this body oil and start applying there. You are going to see improvement. If you have stretch marks on your body, get this oil anywhere you see it. I won't say you should start going around and start looking for it, because you might not find it. This oil is by connection that you're going to see it. You see it by connection. Do you understand? So anywhere you see it, just buy it, okay, and keep it for when you're going to need it. If you have aging skin, please lay your hands on this oil. It is going to do your skin a whole lot of good, because it's going to soften your skin, help you with, those tired looking skin, glow your skin without looking greasy, without looking, yeah. So this is good. Trust me, if I go out again and I see it, I'm going to buy it. I have not seen it again. Where I saw it at Blenco, it was just like 3 or 4 pieces, and by the time I went back, it was gone, because this is actually very good. All right, so that's what I said I should update you guys today about what I'm using that is actually working. I think this is the 3rd or 4th time I'm using it, and that's because I don't see it, I don't find it. So but if you find it, get it, you're absolutely going to love it. Let me know in the comment section if you have used it before. If you have, how did you see it? How was it? Do you understand? So let me know if am I the only person that love this product. Okay, so let me know in the comment section your thoughts. If you have used it before, have you been looking for it, and all of those things. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I'm going to see you on any of these videos right here. Let's continue our beautiful skincare conversations.